Check out her fro sets. She's growing. Huh. Look at that. Look at that. God is making a way. He is. I'm trying to tell you. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day. I am here. Why did I just do that? What's up? Hey guys, MakeupSyy here. Welcome back to my channel. What was that? They probably sick of me. Okay. Hey guys, MakeupSyy here. Welcome back to my channel. I hate that I do this like I'm a cheerleader. Hey guys, ugh, what is that? Oh my god, I know y'all hate me. Okay. Hey guys, MakeupSyy here. Welcome back to my channel. I am here live in the flesh. Not live in the flesh, but I'm here. I'm ready to show you guys my package that just came in the mail. Guess what came in the mail today? These nuts.
Cause some came in the mail today.
Yeah, I did.
These nuts. Got him.
Blue's Clues came by my house.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who's from.
Yes, I just got a package. I am on 10 right now. My mom is anxiously wanting me to open this package because she have a gift in here as well. WonsiiWraps has sent me a huge package. She loves me, y'all. I need y'all to understand that she loves me. I'm just playing, but yes, Wonsii has sent me a wrap. I mean, really? Wonsii sent me a wrap, really? WonsiiWraps sent me yet again another package. If you haven't seen my other tutorial on how I showed you guys how to basically put on the versatile wraps, you might want to check that out. And I also did like a mini tutorial on the style that I had on my talk through, my very first video of 2020. Check that out as well. I'll have both of those linked below, or maybe it might be linked on the top, you never know. So if you want to see what's inside of this package, then just keep on watching. Boom. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, I think I'm gonna stand up so that way, because I don't think you guys can pretty much see. But I'm gonna open it sitting down, then I'm gonna stand up and show you guys. Well, that's doing too much. We gonna sit down. I don't even feel like standing up, to be honest. So boom, yes, we ready. I'm excited because she showed me the different designs and the colors, and I'm just overly geeked. Yes. I'm so annoyed because I remember, before I get to getting all into these packages, I remember there was a time when I wanted to do an unboxing where I was just so eager to be like other YouTubers, like, oh, she's doing an unboxing. Oh, look at all that stuff she got from PR packages and da 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 da. And now I'm on 5 PR packages, 5. And I couldn't even get one yes. Now God blessed me with 5. So I am forever grateful. I just want you guys to know that I wanted to sprinkle a little motivation over your life, sprinkle that motivation over you, and let you know, don't stop. Keep going. Don't look at the numbers. Don't look at nobody else's progress. Keep going on your own path. And guess what? God will bless you too. So, hey, put that in your Kool-Aid and stir it. Boom. We have here so many wraps, sis, set. So boom. Oh God, I'm dropping them. So she sent me approximately 7 wraps. Yes, 7. Okay, so I'm just trying to check them out because I know that one of them is for the giveaway. Yes, I'm having a giveaway. So there's that. Just the cat is out the bag. I am having a giveaway. I will be giving you guys more details on that because you too can participate. Not just my Instagram followers, but my YouTube supporters, my babies. Y'all too get a chance at the giveaway. So let's not even make this video about that. But yes, I just want to make that a disclaimer because I have 7 wraps here. Actually, it's not even 7. I think it's just 6. I thought it was 7, but you know, my mistake. Okay. So boom, I have here 2. Let me stop. I have 2 blue, the new blue wraps here. These are the same 2. You guys seen this on my first video. So I have that. Then I also have the other one, which is the leather one, the faux leather. And then she had gave me the new one, which is the design one. It has patterns on this one. So this one is mine, as well as this. These two are mine, and my mom gets to choose which one she wants as well. I have 2 winners for my giveaway, so you get a chance at 2 people get to get one of these wraps. And inside of the package, I hope I'm like not screaming, because I feel like I'm screaming, and I feel like I'm doing a lot of that. Yes, it comes with this is the wrap. If you haven't checked out my video, please check that out, because it's very informative, and it helps you know how to tie the wrap when you do receive the wrap, if you are a winner. So boom, one head wrap, a bow, the rose, which is my fave, the knot. You get a versatile wrap that comes with 3 attachments, and it has over 16 plus different styles that you can do with these wraps, so keep that in mind. So I got 2 new ones. I already have these 2, so altogether I have 4 wraps in total, but these 2 right here will be for the giveaway. So okay, so I want to try on this one for the sake of the this on for the sake of the video. Fresh out the pack. Oh girl, not the silky red. Anything but the silky red. Come on now, Wonsii. I like this. Even though I already knew how it looked on the inside, so I'm not trying to act brand new. I'm just saying I like the fact that it's silky red. So boom, let's push this inside. You guys have to go check out this video, so that way you won't have to be looking like, what is she doing? Because I don't want to keep having to explain the instructions on how to do this. But here, I'm just tying it. So yes, this is the wrap by Wonsii. As you guys can see, I already showed you guys all 3 of the attachments that come along with it. So you're just getting like a bundle deal. So I cannot wait to share with you guys all of the details for my giveaway. I'm pretty excited about it because this is a big accomplishment for me. I just wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys. And giveaway can be very tricky because I don't like hurting people's feelings. Like, that's one thing about it. Like, I want everybody to win. So giveaways for me is like a love-hate kind of like bittersweet thing. I do love giving things to people. I'm very giving. That's just who I am. I appreciate 4,000 subscribers. Most people, you know, they get on YouTube and they just skyrocket, and then there's people like me who have to work their way up to that point and have to work hard and put in that work, and I'm grateful. There will be more items that I will be adding to this giveaway. This is just not it. This is not the only thing that will happen. I want to have at least 5 winners, if not 4. Well, 4 if not 5.
So do you say if not? Did you say 4 if not 5? Okay, I think it's
4 winners if not 5. So I want to make sure that I get enough people and not just have one winner and everybody signs up and then they just wishing and hoping that it's them. So this is the unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Kind of had one of those epiphanies where I look back at how far I came and how here I am now, and I'm doing an unboxing. So I'm appreciative, I'm grateful. More unboxing on the way. So without further ado, like I always say, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again for 4,000 subscribers. Let's keep it going, keep building, and let's keep slaying, sis. And that's on periods.